This game started with blocks, but turned into a $2.5 billion empire. No story, no missions, no rules, just blocks. But one developer saw something different. Freedom. Players weren't just playing, they were creating. And that's when everything changed. The community built the game. Millions of players, millions of videos, all for free marketing. This wasn't just a game. It was a system that grows on its own. Until one day, a giant made an offer. Minecraft teaches one thing: don't just play the game, build the system. Today, we spotlight Markus Persson, the visionary who transformed a simple idea into a global phenomenon through Minecraft, building a massive fortune that completely changed his life. His success wasn't luck, but a powerful combination of creativity, smart timing, and an intuitive understanding of what players wanted before they even realized it themselves. Before he created a billion-dollar game, he was just a kid in Sweden playing with his first computer. At only 8 years old, Markus Persson wrote his first game. Years later, he imagined a world made of blocks, where players could build anything. In 2009, he released a small indie project called Minecraft. But something unexpected happened. Players didn't just play the game, they lived inside it. YouTube turned Minecraft into a global phenomenon. Millions watched, millions played. But success comes with pressure. The creator became overwhelmed by his own creation. In 2014, he made a historic decision, selling Minecraft for $2.5 billion. He walked away from the game, but the world he built kept growing without him. One idea, one developer, one game. That changed gaming forever. And that's the magic of Minecraft. A simple world with infinite possibilities. From a single block to empires beyond imagination. This isn't just a game. It's a universe shaped by you. So the question is, what will you build next? If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and start crafting your own story today.